Hey there, budget travelers. If you're like me, always itching for your next adventure but wanting to keep your wallet happy, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my top hacks for saving money on accommodation. Let's dive right in. First up, hostels. I know you've probably heard this one before, but hear me out. Hostels aren't just for backpacking students anymore. They're social hubs where you can meet like-minded travelers, and some even offer private rooms if dorms aren't your thing. Check out websites like Hostel World for the best deals and reviews. Next, consider house sitting or pet sitting. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect you with homeowners who need someone to look after their home and pets while they're away. In return, you get free accommodation. It's a win-win. Another great option is couch surfing. This community is all about cultural exchange and making friends, not just a free place to crash. Make sure to read reviews and references to ensure a safe and pleasant stay. Ever heard of work exchanges? Websites like Workaway and Woof let you trade a few hours of work each day for free room and board. Whether it's helping on a farm, teaching a language, or even hostel work, you get to immerse yourself in local culture while saving on accommodation. Now let's talk about booking strategies. Booking last minute can sometimes score you fantastic deals, but it's a gamble. To play it safe, try booking midweek instead of weekends as prices are usually lower. Also, always compare prices on different platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, and Airbnb. And don't forget to check for any hidden fees. Speaking of Airbnb, consider renting a room instead of an entire place. Not only is it cheaper, but you might also get insider tips from your local host. And if you're staying longer, try negotiating a discount. Many hosts are open to offering a better rate for extended stays. For the ultra-budget conscious, camping can be a fantastic option. Look for free campsites or cheap ones in national parks. Just make sure you're prepared with the right gear and check the local regulations. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of loyalty programs and discounts. Sign up for newsletters from hotels and booking sites to get notified of special deals. Also, consider joining hosteling organizations like HI Hostels, which offer discounts and perks for members. So there you have it. Whether you're a solo adventurer or traveling with friends, these hacks can help you save big on accommodation, leaving you more money to explore and create unforgettable memories. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more budget travel advice. Safe travels and happy saving.